Assalamu Alikum. Today I have a quick tutorial for you showing how to convert your PDF to PowerPoint presentation and PowerPoint presentation to PDF. Let's go ahead and jump right over my computer and convert your PowerPoint presentation into a PDF. First of all, click on a PowerPoint presentation and open a previously prepared presentation file. Here is mine. I want to change this file format, or I want to convert this file into PDF. For this purpose, I have to select File tab. Here are several options and one of them is Export. Click on this. Then you will see some creating option. Create a PDF or XPS document is our desired option. Now click on this. Here we go. Now a pop-up box came and you have to choose a location to save the file, and if you want to change the file name, then you can change. Here are two options. From here you can make it also XPS document or PDF. Now click the publish button and the file started publishing. So it's time to show our recently creating PDF file. Here is it. This is our desired converted PDF file which we have created recently. When you save presentation as a PDF file, it freezes the formatting layout. People can view the slides even if they don't have PowerPoint, but they can't make changes to it. Now it's time to convert the PDF into PowerPoint presentation. First of all, I would like to show you a PDF file that I have already created to convert to a PowerPoint presentation. This is the PDF file which I want to change or convert into PowerPoint presentation so that I can make changes. For this purpose, we need a browser. So open a browser and search for Clever PDF. Here are too many websites. From here, we will click the first one, cleverpdf.com. I have given the link below in the description box so that you can easily find it out. Here are 44 powerful and permanently free online PDF tools used to convert PDF to Office ebook, image, and so on. Now select PDF to PPTX option, which means PDF to PowerPoint presentation. This is a PDF to PowerPoint converter. Now go ahead to the rectangle and right click on choose file option. Now select the PDF file which you want. Or the other way to find the document is minimize the browser. You can see I have a document over here. I will drag this file and drop it over here, starting to uploading. Maximize it again. Now it's time to click on the starting version. Then it will start it to processing, but honestly it won't take a long time. Here it is done. Now click on download option and download the file. Close the advertisement. Now click on the downloaded file and open it. Here is your converted PPTX file or PowerPoint presentation. It's important to notice one thing. You should press right click on Enable Editing so that you can make changes in this PowerPoint presentation as you want. This is the PowerPoint presentation which I converted from a PDF file. So guys, hope this video helped you to convert your file. If you like this video, please hit on the thumbs up and click on the subscribe button so that you don't miss out any upcoming videos. see you all in my next video tutorial. Till then, stay happy and stay safe. Thank you.